I don't go comot my wig again make I look old. For some of my followers wey dey always talk say Joy you don old, no problem, make you look me finish, short, see finish from beginning to the end, from the head to the toe, see finish. I don old, no problem o. I wan eat my pepper soup, na wetin dey hungry me. I no get chair, ma just stand up eat am. Are you going to eat? Come on, join me. If you don't want to eat yam, you can eat chicken. Come and join me. And I may make akagom. I know they stingy at all. Giver. So please, if you want to join me, come and join me and eat. Yeah, it's very, very cool. I like it. My baby is doing well. It's bouncing. It's even kicking. And then sometimes I will just sit down. I will just see the movements of a baby. The way when they take the do in leg and the way when they take the do in hand. I will go say, ah. So now wow. So finally, this is don't finally become human being. My dear, God is very, very wonderful. I don't feel like eating this yam again. So they're hungry me, not this meat. Okay. This one is hot. See, come and join me. You see, yam is good for a pregnant woman, in case you don't know. Some go talk say yam they make them they get too much of sugar. You don't know what they worry you. Go find what they worry you. No be yam. Yam no go make you get sugar. I think they already finished the yam. Right more. As for me now, listen. But see they hungry me now. And to chop this, chop this, chop this. After this one now, I'll work another thing chop. I don't know whether na because of say now what they hungry this pikin. I don't know. Because if the thing they hungry, na the thing go come tell you wey be the mama say see wey so thing wey dey hungry me o, abeg go buy am cook o, if na the one wey you no go buy cook eat. Na so e be, na so e be. I think I'm okay, thank you. I don eat finish, I no dey eat again.